Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 308 in the Tech Edition specification. So this car's packed full of great features, including park assist, there's 3D navigation, this lovely panoramic glass roof. You also get front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car, it's half leather interior. The touchscreen has DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this, you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and wipers, and you get cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 130 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox, done 6,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.